Today's the day we get paint on this Karman Ghia, finally. I wanted to say before I start this video off, thank you to everyone that subscribed to the channel. I appreciate you watching. Just gonna try to keep, putting more and more out there, and hopefully the videos get better and better. So just wanted to say a quick thank you to everybody that leaves a comment, all that kind of stuff. Really appreciate it. All right, let's get into this thing. right, so this thing's finally painted. It has given me a bunch of trouble, but I got it fixed. It's all taken care of now. And I'll tell you, it looks good. It's a lot of blue. I'll tell you, everywhere I look in here, it's blue. I mean, look at this, look at filters. Let's see, look on the floor. I'm telling you, I can't walk through this shop without seeing this blue. It's insane. I feel like I'm gonna be an honorary Smurf by the time this is all over with. It's just blue everywhere. I mean, wow. Car looks great. It's coming along well. Got some more painting to do on it, unfortunately. I gotta do the tops of the doors on the inside. And then I'm gonna bag the car, block out the underside, get all the undercoating fixed up on it and everything, and get this thing slapped together. So I'll be posting another video here real quick. I'm gonna try to have this car wrapped up next week. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.